them fresh squid and So guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna put the birds inside of a bath in the Sputnik because it's not that nice of the weather. And I think, yeah, if we're gonna let them out, maybe the bird of prey will take them. So that's what we're gonna do. So guys, for the food for today, we give them the Janssen product over their food. It's this. You can see around 1 kilogram of food. We're gonna give them 5 tablespoons of the Janssen product. So that's what we're gonna give. Gonna mix it up quite good. And then we're just gonna let it dry, and then in the afternoon we're gonna feed it to the birds. So guys, the male birds took their bath, so now we're gonna make it ready for the hens. The male birds can dry up, and also we're gonna clean the loft, so we have that ready. So we're gonna change everything in the Sputnik, and then we let the hens out in the Sputnik to take a bath. So the hens are going in. They can take a bath. And then we're gonna clean the loft, so that we have everything ready. So guys, when you are watching the birds, the hens going into a bath, I cleaned everything, the loft, the feeding trays, feed mineral pots, so everything's nice and clean. From that they were in bath, I will make a time lapse. So yeah, you will have seen that before this. So it's going a lot faster than normal. So yeah, we have everything clean. So we only have to do is to feed the birds. That's what we're going to do next, and then we're done. So we just feed the males. You can see. But also give them fresh squid and feed them in the wall as well. So now we're gonna feed the hens. They're done with their bath. Just chilling and drying up, you can see. So we will feed them, and then we have that done and take a dry off and eat if they want to. So that's what we do. So guys, everything is done for today with the pigeons. So I hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You can do it down below. Appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye guys.